Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back onto my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are highly welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are always welcome onto this community forum. So guys, on to today's video, I want to showcase you on how I normally deep clean my bed and how I organize it. So organize it with me. Just in case of anything, you just let me know. Give me suggestions on how you normally arrange your beds and how you normally clean your bed. So come. So first things first, we have to remove our mattress so that you can be able to sweep up our plywood, because unajua sasa hii Faraja huwa anachezea, anamwaga uchafu, so lazima tufagie this plywood. Yeah. So guys, we are done with just sweeping our plywood. Now unajua hii ni nini? See, I told you that this is a chester bed, so lazima to wipe this material here. So kujeni. So basically nimechukua maji na nikaweka omo ndani, then I'll just be using the foam. Hii foam ndio nitatumia to clean. With this piece of cloth. Unaacha like ikuwe damp, ikuwe na maji. Like me normally huwa sipanguzi na maji ndani, because like ukiacha maji kwa kitambaa ita stain the nini, itaharibu this material, unaona, na itakuwa very difficult for it to dry. So lazima uingize kitambaa kwa maji, then like unachukua hii foam, unaona hii foam, then una just squeeze. You squeeze up the kitambaa, then unapanguza. So you have to ensure that this piece of cloth is very clean. By the way, haifai kukua chafu, because ikiwa chafu by the way inaenda kuharibu the color, the original color of this material of fabric. Like hivi, then you just go and wipe out thoroughly the fabric of your bed. Na itatoka tu. Then tukisha clean the head of the bed, tunakuja kwa this sideways, hizi mbao za huku kando, sijui zinaitwa aje, lakini acha tutuoshe. navunja plywood walai. Once this side is done, we come to this other side, then tukuje kwa hii ya mwisho. Actually it's not that difficult. But wengi wanogopanga kununua hizi nini, hizi Chester beds juu ya kumaintain na kuclean, unaona. Okay, sometimes ni ngumu, yes. Ni ngumu si kazi rahisi, especially kama uko na mtoi. Manze ni noma. But sasa utafanya. If you want to maintain it, you have like lazima ujitume when it comes to cleaning. So tuko karibu kumaliza guys. And by the uzuri wa this material huina at least ni rahisi kukauka. In less than 5 minutes by the itakuwa imekauka. That's the best part about this material. Yeah. So ndaka nimalize. After that then we just give it 5 minutes tuongoje tuone kama itakuwa imekauka. Hapa kama una nguvu achana na hii kitanda. Kama una nguvu ya kuiosha achana tu na hii kitanda. Na maybe kama huna nguvu ya kuosha tafuta kina Zen Fresh Cleaner sound atakusaidia, lakini kama una nguvu I cannot advise you to buy this bed. Jue utaitupa within 1 day. Yeah. Tuendelee kuclean. So guys, tuko kwa hii side ya huku inaitwa aje, the back of this bed. Tushafagia kwa clean this other sides, so tuko kwa hii part. Yeah, so clean with me. By the way guys, please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me hear your suggestion. How do you normally clean your beds? How do you normally organize your beds? Tuko kwa kaka part. So we are cleaning this part. Then from there tunaipatia around 5 minutes iweze ku dry up. But kama uko in a hurry you can just take a clean piece of cloth then unai absorb the water. Yeah. I hope you can see the difference. Tukiendelea kuosha, sijui kama mnaona the difference guys. By the way, like hii uchafu inatoka. As long as umetumia energy yako, you can by the way use this one, clean piece of cloth, ama tumia a very soft brush. Ukitumia yenye ni very hard, hii fabric hii utatupa. It's either utatupa ama utachange the fabric. So you have to use a soft one. I wish I had the soft one, but I do prefer this one. No. Yeah, kama unatumia this one you have to use an extra energy. si rahisi. Tulijitakia wenyewe. So guys, I am done with cleaning my bed. Yeah, it's just simple but energy. Lazima kauja kulugali asubuhi chana. Hii itaki watu nyamekula spaghetti. Ndaka like you use your energy to wash it. Like haitaki jokes. Juu kiweta mzaha like it's like utakuwa unaichafua the more. So no, you have to use extra energy utoe the extra dirt. No. Yeah. By the way, who ina attract ni haraka. Who ina attract nitwaje? Vumbi haraka. So lazima like kutumia energy for it to be sparkling clean. Yeah. So from there guys, I'm going to give it 5 minutes for it to dry up, then nirudishe my mattress and nitandike. Yeah. I hope you are enjoying the video as much as I'm enjoying the video. Just drop a comment, like, share and comment guys. Leave a comment, just say anything. How do you normally organize your bed? How do you normally clean your bed? Yeah, how do you normally spread your bed? Yeah, just leave a comment. Say anything. Say anything guys. Yeah, let's interact, let's keep it going. Actually, I'm done. So the only thing remaining here ni kukamua this and then nioshe. Actually, this is specifically for my bed and for my chair. Yeah, kuna ya kitanda, kuna ya viatu, kuna ya besheni, na kuna ya na kuna hiyo yenye nilionyesha during a house tour. This one actually, sijui kama mnaiona this one. So this one is specifically for this part and for fridge. This one is for the table. Sorry, for the chair and for the bed. So I have for the shoes, it's in the laundry basket. I have for the ya kuosha besheni na the laundry basket iko nje. So manze nikujipanga tu pole pole. So acha tupatie 5 minutes. 5 4 3 2 1. So guys, after waiting for 5 good minutes, our bed I think iko ready and we can be able now to kurudisha our mattress na pia tutandike kitanda using another new bed sheet. So come with me. Lakini by the way, anytime una change your bed sheets, ensure that umebadilisha mattress. Like kama ilikuwa this side, next time ensure that iko the other side so that iki worn out both sides, like it worn out equally. You get my point? Yeah. Guys, hapo hivi ni kama nilichezwa hii bed sheet. Imagine niliambiwa hii ni 4x6 bed. But sasa tell me why high fit and yet the mattress pia ni 4x6. Si nilichezwa ama? Nilichezwa. You know, like lazima uinue this part na ndio ukuje uinue the other part. hii hapa. Wale wenye tunakuanga na mastikon, so tunatandika aje kitanda? Juu mimi sina mwiko. Natandika aje? Okay, napendanga hizi because like ni kuinsert to the corners na ushamaliza kutandika. Kuna zingine we. Imagine unatandika the bed alafu kishamaliza na realize that kuna side moja ya the bed sheet ni kubwa, like imechukua a lot of material compared to hiyo nyingine. But hii hapa ukisha insert the four corners, ukishamalizana na hiyo shughuli. And this is it, guys. I am done deep cleaning, organizing my bed and everything. Right now my bed is as fresh as what? Inakwanga as fresh as what? Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you have loved this video, kindly leave a thumbs up, like, share, comment. Don't forget to leave us a comment. Let us know what do you think? Have I done the right thing? Is it even though huwa wanatengenezanga bed ama nimeuma nje? Just leave us a comment, okay? Not us, me. Leave me a comment. Let me know in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. I am begging you. Subscribe, like, share, comment, so that in the future you don't be left out in my future shenanigan. See you on to my next one. Stay awesome and keep smiling. I love you. Oh, before I leave, let me show you on how now my bed looks like. Let me just give you a snip of how it looks like. Yeah, ndo mnipatie a comment kama I've done the right thing or I've used a wrong procedure to clean my bed. So this is it. Sijui kama mnazaona. I'm just trying to show you in details on how it looks like. I think right now it's spotless. As you can see, very spotless. No, let me give it from that angle. Sijui kama mnaona. Yeah. This is it, guys. Bye.